Welcome to Veronica's Decor Lab. Today is a DIY inspired by the Dollar Tree. We have various floral bushes. We have bling wrap, burlap lace ribbon, a tall cylinder vase. The bushes that we're working with today is Queen Anne's lace and lavender, hyacinth, Easter lilies, glue sticks, hot glue gun, scissors, and wire cutters. We take the burlap lace ribbon and measure around the lip of the cylinder vase. And here we begin to hot glue the ribbon around the lip of the vase. And we adjoin the ends in the back with hot glue. Here we have a 5-row of bling wrap, which we're going to alter down to 3 rows and 2 rows of bling. And here we have the modified strips of bling wrap. We place the 2-row bling wrap around the small inner portion of the lace that's on the burlap ribbon. And we place the 3-row bling wrap at the bottom of the cylinder vase. And you should have something that looks like this. We also are going to use floral foam in order to arrange our blooms. We will pack the vase with paper in order for the floral foam to sit up high in order for the arrangement to have a stately appearance. The Easter lilies we use as the feature bloom in the arrangement, surrounded by the hyacinth. And off camera, we arrange the arrangement with the Queen Anne's lace. And we also finished it with a loop that is adorned with bling wrap as well as a monarch butterfly. This tall cylinder vase made of tin screams volumes of springtime. It also has a shabby chic, romantic feel. What a way to say springtime. We thank you so much for joining Veronica's Decor Lab.